to change PayPal on Temu. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to change your PayPal in your Temu account. So first of all you have to do is just open your preferred browser, and after that on the search bar just search for Temu, and after that just click on the first link that you will see on the top, and you will be redirected to the official website of the Temu. And after that just simply log into your account using your credentials, and once you are logged into your account just click on the profile section from the top right corner of your screen, and here on the home page you will be able to see this settings. And in order to change your PayPal from your Temu account as a payment method, you need to go to the payment method section from the left hand side window. Under the home section just click on your payment method, and if you already have added your PayPal as your payment method in your Temu account, you will be able to see PayPal linked as your payment method in your Temu account on this particular screen right here. And after that you just simply have to click on the remove, which will show you alongside the PayPal that has been added in your PayPal payment method account already. And after that just simply click on add a new credit or debit card, and then simply change your payment method from your PayPal account to any of the credit or debit card that you would want to add in your Temu account as a payment method. So just simply add your credit or debit card, expiration date, CVC code, billing address and other details, and click on add your card. And this way you will be able to change your PayPal in your Temu account. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.